Good morning everyone, my name is Lucas and this is Vartus Farms. Something new for you today. It's mask detection device. It's actually a camera, surprise. And it's not only one camera I have, it's actually two cameras and one access control minimal. So we're just going to start with the first one. It's a new AcuSense camera. Like you see here, it's a turret. It's a DS-2346G2-ISU/SL. So that's one of them. Like you see here, it has a built-in microphone and is already triggered the mask detection because it picked up my face from the screen actually right now. So there's two LEDs. They can flash if you like as well if the person has been detected. So this is I would say the basic one. It's only gonna pick up the face and it's gonna announce the message mask detection. I'm just gonna show you how to do it, how to upload the customized message or build in audible warning if you like. So that's one of them, the easiest one to set it up. Also we have the one that you already seen before. It's the temperature screen camera. This temperature screen camera has two lenses like you see on the front. So if you're going to use that camera to screen the temperature, but if someone doesn't wear the mask, it will actually trigger the message. So that's, I don't know if you can hear that. I just put a little bit of volume down for a second. And the last one but not the least is, I'm just going to try to not breaking it. It's the minimal. So the minimal will pick up the face, temperature screening as well. It's built in, like you see on the top of the unit is the temperature screening camera. So it will pick up your face. It will see what's the temperature. And if you don't wear the mask, it's actually gonna announce the message as well, if you like to. Or you can just display the message on the front that you don't wear the mask. So that's the last one, but also the most advanced one, because it can actually open the door for you. It's a full access control unit, so you can connect your relay. So I showed you that before on the 2 occasions, or maybe 3 already, one without the temperature screening as well. So this is the mask detection now we focus on. So we're just going to show you all 3 how to do the mask detection. So what we're going to start with is the the AcuSense camera. So if you're going to log in to the camera itself, so there it is. So this is the camera. This is the model of the camera here. And once you log into the camera, you just go face capture. And in the face capture, you go advanced configuration. And in advanced configuration, on the bottom of the page, there's an option there to enable mask detection. So the camera will search for any face within the range of the camera, within the zone you create in the rule settings. But then it will actually, if there will be a face within the zone, it will pick it up the face and it will check if someone wearing the mask or not. If they don't, what we need to do, we just need to go to the event. And the basic events on top of the page, we have the flashing alarm light, so you can enable that and the alarm light will flash. But also you have the audible alarm output. So like you see here, I already selected custom. You have the different warning notifications. It could be a siren, could be any different message. It just could be a welcome if you like. If I save that, it just says welcome, simple as that. But also you have no mask wearing. So if you would select that and save it, I'm just going to click the test button.
Please wear mask.
I'm just going to do it again.
Please wear mask.
So that's nearly halfway. So I'm just going to go on full blast there now with the volume.
Please wear mask.
And that's loud enough. I can tell, no, I would definitely hear if I will be on the front of the camera. And if that would be a shop or any place that you could place that camera there. So this is the built-in notification, but I can also select custom notification or prompt message. And prompt message is just some kind of signal there. Custom, I can upload, so I already upload some audible warning. You can just click the add button and just go for browse a file, and just select your file from your PC. Once it's selected, you just give it a name, so I can just go just any name really, and that's it. I don't know if you noticed that what type of the file it has to be. It's a wave and file 8 kilohertz and not bigger than 512 kilobits per second kilobits. So be careful with that when you're creating the file. It can be too long message. So you have two now. I have the first one I created before, so you just need to save it, and I can just bring up the volume a little bit and we can test it now.
Please wear a mask.
And this is me recorded beforehand, and now it's just playing away. So if I put that on straight on my face,
Please wear a mask.
that's it. It's actually triggered straight away. And that's all how to set it up. This small camera, it's really straightforward. There's nothing to it really, because the camera will pick up your face automatically. You just need to tell what to do and what kind of message you need to announce when the face is detected without the mask. So that's one. So one we have here done. We move on to the temperature screen cam now. It's almost identical. It's almost the same. Again, you just go temperature screen. You just go face capture. In a face capture in advanced configuration, it's actually enabled by default. It's the audible warning there for not wearing a mask linkage. So once you have it selected, it's automatically trigger the message. So I'm just going to trigger that message here. So again, if you go to the basic event settings, audible alarm output, you have the multiple outputs. You just go with the mask detection, and you have this warning. I just put a really low volume there, so I'm just going to try it again.
Please wear a mask.
So there is, that's the built-in message. Or you can customize the message, like exactly the same as the one before. So I just click the add button, browse for my file, mask 2 I created beforehand, and just name it whatever you like. Click OK, and that should be uploaded. So I have this custom audio here, and
Please wear a mask.
and this is me now, recorded beforehand. So simple, really simple. So once I will be in the range of the camera, I can actually put the camera up here. So we'll pick up my face, and you can actually view it on live view screen as well.
Please wear a mask.
So there is.
Wear a mask.
Straight away pick up my face and check the temperature, but also announce the message to wear the mask. So very, very simple, straightforward. This feature is actually built in, so if you have one of those temperature screen cameras, you can enable that. You can just update the firmware. Just the latest firmware that will allow you to do it is the 5.5 131. Is it the one? Sorry, the wrong camera I'm in. Sorry, this is the one. So we'll go back and the maintenance, sorry, in the systems configuration here. So 5526, and the build date is from the last month, the 20th of the 7th, 08. So that's the latest for this camera. So you can upload your own custom audio, and you can also upload the customized audio for the temperature screen, and if you like, if you're interested in that as well. So that will allow you to do it. So these two cameras, like you see, very straightforward face capture, and you just need to make sure the linkage is selected for audible warning. And once you have it selected, event, basic event, and alarm output, and the settings. So this is the temperature screen camera. Like you see here, it has a built-in message as well, the same as the other one. What else you have there? It's a minimal. So if we go with the minimal, let me see it here. So this is our Minmo, and in order to log into the Minmo and change the settings of the Minmo to actually announce the message, we just need to piece of the software. You can log in locally, but I prefer to log in via the software. So once we logged in, we just go to other settings, and you see here listed like must wear the mask, or I can uncheck that and just remind to wear the mask. So it'll be two type of different notifications showing up on the screen of this minimal. But if someone must wear the mask, you just click save, make sure this is checked. Just a quick update on the minimal. And the latest firmware is actually allow you to send proper picture, not just the thermal picture to your software, to IVMS software. You just need to check the box here, capture white light picture, and that will send the message. So I'm just gonna show you here what kind of message I'm talking about. So this is the thermal image camera in the event center. So this is just a regular temperature screen camera, like you see here, has been detected. This is the AccuSense, and the AccuSense, I just changed the priority for this so we can see which one is from the AccuSense, which one is from temperature screen camera. So there's a few pictures of me just testing it beforehand. Like you see here, every single time I'm been detected, there's information about, you know, if I wear the glasses, if I wear a mask, smiling or not. And they will also tell you some bit information about the person on the front of the camera. But also I have this no mask, like you see here. This is actual no mask event from the minimal. So if I will go with no mask here, I'm just gonna get that minimal here now. So there it is, straight away, I pick it up, no mask, take my picture, and you can see here, that's it. You can also see that it check the temperature, it's measuring the temperature, but also it's keep triggering my face. So, but I want to change the volume, so I just want to
wear a mask.
Oh, now it's looking at the minimal. One camera is looking at the other one, is picking up the face.
Wear a mask.
Oh, stop it. So maybe just quickly, I'm gonna show you where to go. So once we logged in the minimal, we'll just go system. There's a volume, voice volume. So just gonna go and check the 5 and save those settings and go back.
Please wear a face mask. Please wear a face mask.
And there it is.
Please wear a face mask.
So I'm keeps triggering automatically. There's showing my temperature, but also showing message and audible warning as well. There we are. All right. And now we'll keep triggering. So put it down. So simple as that. You have 3 devices, and each one of them can announce the message audible warning, and that audible warning will be announced once the person doesn't wear the mask. The simplest one, and probably the is not as expensive as the other ones, but only gives you the facial recognition and the mask detection. But together with the IDS machine, it's a really powerful piece of equipment, because you can use the library on the IDS machine with that camera. Like we have a setups like temperature screen camera for the entrance, and for the exit is one of these connected to the IDS machine, and you can then do the time and attendance for every person walking in. The temperature is screened, and then on the way out, they're just checking out basically automatically. So it's really straightforward, like you see here. Nice handy piece of equipment. So just go back quickly to the software. Like you see here, this is the minimal. It's showing me actually no mask. If my minimal or any of the camera will be connected to the recorder, I can also do the playback of that camera if I like to. So you can see what is actually showing here. So this is the minimal in the red, and AccuSense camera in the yellow. I change it to. So every single one of them, and the thermal image is the blue one. So I hope that helped you a bit what camera to choose. Like you see, there will be plenty of applications these days for those type of the cameras. If someone is just looking for a simple solution to remind people when they walk into their premises to wear the mask, that's the camera. Just simple AccuSense will do. So if you're looking for the price for this camera, just call our sales department, your sales manager. They will answer the questions about the price. If you need help with setting up this camera, you can obviously play back this video, or you can call our tech department. We are ready there to help you. So thank you very much for your time. Take care, and I'll see you next week. Actually, next week I have something really special. We haven't had that before. We haven't seen it. It's a totally new product, so I can't wait to show you that. So thank you very much, guys. Take care. Stay awesome as always. Bye.